Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the Asus A15 laptop. Stay tuned until the end to learn more about its features and performance. Here are the specifications of the laptop. Ryzen 5 4600H processor with 6 cores and 12 threads. 8GB of DDR4 RAM which I have upgraded to 16GB. NVIDIA GTX 1650 GPU with 4GB of VRAM. 500GB M.2 NVMe SSD, Windows 11 Home 64-bit operating system, 90 watts battery and a 1080p 1440p IPS display. The price of this laptop is around 53k. You can purchase the cheaper variant for around 50k from the link given in the description. Note that the price may change later. Let's start the unboxing. Inside the box, you get the laptop, user manual, warranty card, power cord and a 150 watts charger. On the left side of the laptop are the charging port, Ethernet port, HDMI 2.0, two USB 3.2 USB ports, USB-C and audio port. The right side has one USB 3.2 port. The laptop has a high quality design and does not feel cheap. The laptop is easily upgradable with two M.2 NVMe SSD slots and 2 RAM slots that can be upgraded to 32GB. Now I will complete the setup. You can skip this part. The setup is complete with all the latest updates and drivers installed. This device comes with McAfee antivirus for 1 year as well as 1 month of trial of Microsoft Office and Xbox Game Pass. The Asus 𝗟𝗏𝗡 is a software that allows you to monitor your CPU, GPU, RAM usage and temperature. You can also adjust the fan speed, keypad lighting, switching between iGPU or dedicated GPU, turn on or off noise cancellation for mic and speakers. Additionally, there is another software called My Asus which provides you with access to your warranty, customer care support and troubleshooting. In this software, there is an option to set your device priority for gaming, productivity or streaming, as well as feature to limit your maximum battery charge to increase its lifespan. Let's test the camera and microphone of this laptop. Hey guys, the video which you're watching is recorded using the inbuilt webcam of Asus A15 and the voice which you're hearing is also recorded using the inbuilt microphone. Comment down below how is the quality. Now let's check the speaker sound quality.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
The laptop has DTS sound effects which provides good quality sound. The battery can last more than 7 hours for the basic tasks such as browsing the internet, watching the YouTube videos, streaming and doing basic works. It takes around 2 hours to fully charge. Now let's test the boot speed. So it took around 18 seconds to boot. For the benchmarking, I have tested Geekbench 6.1 where the single core performance was 1289 and multi-core score is 3698 and 37696 for the Vulkan score. Next, I have tested Cinebench R23, 1150 points for the single core and 8233 points for the multi-core. Now let's check the gaming performance. The first game is Fortnite. I have used 1080p custom settings. The average is 106 FPS, minimum is 82 FPS and maximum was 140 FPS. The game is very playable for high refresh rate experience. The next game I have tested is Hogwarts Legacy. I have used 1080p low settings and we are getting average of 86 FPS, minimum of 60 FPS and maximum of 89 FPS.
Good morning. I trust you're ready for your first day at Hogwarts?
I've been dreaming of this day for a long time.
The next game is Far Cry 6. I have used 1080p medium settings. We are getting average of 60 FPS, minimum of 53 FPS and maximum of 72 FPS.
There's nobody here.
Hey, Rojas, you have answered the call. Next asshole who opens the door is Danny Rojas. Come on.
The next game is Hitman. I have used 1080p high settings. We are getting average of 58 FPS, minimum of 45 FPS and maximum of 70 FPS. And the last game is Marvel Avengers. I have used 1080p low to medium settings. The average is 52 FPS, the minimum is 39 FPS and maximum is 62 FPS.
No, this one's all out. The shield Cap used in World War II to smash Hitler in the face. This is so cool.
You're in the way.
I'm sorry.
This contest should only be for the real fans.
Hey, what makes you think I'm not a real fan? I deserve to be here too.
If you would like me to do more gaming tests, comment below. So that's it about this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and also follow me on social media for the latest updates.